Problem with Adobe Bridge 2021, and as you can see, I have these pictures here that I opened up. It shows this little garbled transmission, this garbled image every time I put the mouse over. This is iMac. I have downloaded the Big Sur update, and it shows these things here. I can't seem to get rid of it. I looked all over Google to figure out how to fix it. There's no update, there's nothing. They work fine, but I'm a little blinded here because I need to see what I'm doing. And I use image processor a lot. So if anybody can help me out with this problem here in Adobe Bridge 2021, it's the new Adobe Bridge, the one that just recently came out. Help me out here. Let me cancel real quick. Yes. Okay, I have these pictures here. I was able to adjust them using Adobe Bridge 2020. However, they do not have this, and I use it a lot. I use the image processor a lot. The other Adobe Camera Raw programs do not have this feature here. They have none of these. It just goes up to here. So if you could help me out again using the image processor so that I can use the image processor. This is Adobe Camera Raw Bridge 2021. It shows this stuff. Show me how to get rid of this if possible. I've fixed all of this. Thank you for watching.